Hi there friends, I'm about to make some ingots for aluminium, and I'm going to do it the John Sellers way, because I do listen to you, John, I do listen. And John said whatever you do, lean the outside slightly. So what I'm hoping to do, what I'm doing wrong straight away, is I was going to lean it, that's right, yeah, lean it outwards. Right, we're going to lean it all outwards. So I'm going to jack up the one side of the, I'm going to jack up one side of this just to lift it up slightly. And we'll come up like 1/8 of an inch run. So I'm going to just lift it like that. Not a lot, just enough to say, look everybody, I lifted it. What about that? It don't have to be a great angle, but John was saying if you don't do it, the when you pour hot stuff in here, it'll get stuck because the sides are equal, parallel. So if they're not slightly spread open, I know you know what I mean, and I know most of you are just saying, we know what you mean, Rob, but we're taking a piss out of you. That's the Ford. That's the Ford done. I mean, to look at it, you think it was pretty square, but when you put a square on it, look. See? So she is leaning outwards. Fucking thing is on steroids. Now this stuff, as you can see, is very heavily galvanized. So we're going to have to blow through that because I haven't got time to be grinding for what it is, you know what I mean? It's not sticking. So we're going to have to do what we do want to do. Right, there you are. I had to clean up all the ends. I had to clean up my act. I should do. Now we can take that off there. That's the plan. Put it on this side. Put your clamp on there, it's pretty. Okay, now, anything going to go right for me today? You just got to get out in there. You took it out. I know why you won't go in there. Because that's bigger. You don't go in there that way. Proves it is. All in there. They're all in there happily. Happily ever after. I'm hoping that little angle I give it will be enough for these to drop out when they're cold. John knows. Don't you, John? Don't you, John? I got that habit of doing everything people shouldn't do. move it slightly, whatever you want to do with it. Gives you a bit of it gives you a little bit more movability. Movability. I told you, didn't I? I know all stupid words. Movability. Well, there you go, chaps. It's that's all it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tip, tip, tip. Top, top, top. It's based on a John Sellers look-alike. And thanks for the help, John. I watched your video, and for the tilting, you know, the slight leaning and etc to make it all work. So all we need is to try it. So we're getting pretty close to casting. Blurry camera, blurry camera.